seeing a new building that can house a lot of students and staff, I feel joyful working on this project, and now to see that they're tearing it down and building a new one and actually seeing the renderings makes me kind of happy that, you know, it's a place for students to live and enjoy. My name's Colin Schneider. I was born and raised here in Stockton, California. I like the cross between construction and design field. Both my parents were civil engineers. Seeing my dad work made me realize what construction is and really got in love with the construction side of engineering management. What my job is I have to do something called a SWIP report. Basically, I go do inspections weekly, make sure they're stormwater compliant, make sure no dust, dirt, anything gets on or off site or in the storm drains. So my advice for students wanting to study engineering here at Pacific is to be interested, be curious, ask a lot of questions, do internships. If you're interested in a field, go into that field, you know, get connections, go to the career fairs, talk to your professors. They have lots of different advice and they have lots of different connections to get you into the field you want to get into.